Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I've come with a new video that is really very interesting and very useful to you. Do you know why? Because in this video I'm just going to share to you how we could improve our communication skills, how we could speak English language confidently and fluently without any hesitations, without any fears, and how we could tackle all those problems while speaking English language, what the issues that we get while speaking English language, this kind of things I'm just going to share to you in this video. So this video is really going to helpful to those people who really want to improve their communication skills by removing their hesitation, and if they want to speak English language confidently, then this video is only for those people. Definitely all the people, they have the dream to speak English language in a great way, and they want to be a native speakers and they want to speak English language like a foreigner. So for that there is a lots of things that is necessary. The first thing that is necessary is that you should have the confidence in yourself, and how you could boost your confidence for speaking English language, for learning anything, how you could improve that. In this video I'm just going to share this kind of things only. So first of all, you know that you don't fear from English language, you just fear from your fearness. You just the problem is not the English, the problem is your fear, that you are fearing while speaking English language. This is only the problem. English is not the problem, that you are not knowing English language, it is not the problem at all. The problem is that you are fearing, you are hesitating in speaking English language. So that's why the things that is necessary that you should boost yourself is that you should have to command on your fearness, you should have to command on your hesitations, so that you could enhance your communication skills in a great way. I just want to tell to you that for learning anything, if you also want to learn English language, then first time you will make the mistakes, you will not able to speak confident speaking English language, even though you will face a lot of difficulties while speaking English language at the first time, even though you will lurking at speaking English language, and you will fear a lot because this is your first time that you're experiencing for speaking English language. That's why this is your first time. And definitely at the first time, all the people, when they start something new, they just fear, they just hesitate for doing all those things. So you don't have to fear, you don't have to hesitate all those things. The main problem is this only, that people, they just fear and hesitate a lot, so that's why they just lose their confidence and lose their hopes for learning English language. So the main things that why your confidence is not boosting, why you're not able to speak confidently, is the main problem that you should have to overcome of your hesitations. And for overcoming of your hesitation, there is needed to do a lots of practice. You should have to command on your words, pronunciations, and not I'm just telling you that you should have the command most on the vocabularies or grammars. The most important thing is that you should have the practice on speaking English language, because if you will have the practice on speaking English language, if you will more speak, more listen, more read all those things, then only you will be fluent on that, and you could overcome of that hesitations and can remove your fearness of speaking English language. So you don't have to fear, and English is just a language. If you have started, you know that if a child just start to speak speak their native language, if they start to learn their native language, at the first time they sound wrong, or they just do a lots of grammatical mistakes, that the people's their parents, all the people, they just make to understand them that speak like this, because it's the first time. And English is also a language, we don't have to fear at all. It's need a lots of practice, like we are also knowing our native language from our childhood, that's why we have the practice on that, and we are not fearing at all. So that's why we don't have to fear in English language also. It's a language, and there is needed to be a learning process in that, and it will take some times. And you know that we should don't have to fear for learning English language, for speaking English language, because if we will more fear, more hesitate towards learning anything, then we will lose our confidence. So the first reason is that we don't have to lose our confidence towards speaking English language by fearing, by hesitating, whatever the things that we are knowing, we should have to express all those things. Even though if we are knowing wrong English, if we are also doing broken English, even though we are not pronunciating the words in a great way in front of the peoples, then we don't have to fear, we don't have to take it serious. and you don't like, if the people they are also laughing at us while speaking English language, then don't take it serious. It's a normal, it's common for everybody that if they have started, I was also the beginners one, I was also beginner one before 2 years, even though I was not able to speak this kind of English also. I was facing a lots of issues, even though I was not able to make the sentence also. So at the time I have faced a lots of issues while speaking English language, while learning English language. So we don't have to fear at all. Whatever the things that we are knowing, we just have to express all those things. We don't have to hesitate. The first time will be really embarrassing for you, and definitely you will feel really very embarrassed while speaking English language, while learning English language, because it's first time to you and it's new thing for you. And definitely for healing new thing, for learning new thing, it takes some time. So don't lose your hopes that I'm not able to learn and I'm not able to command on this language, and this language is not for me, this language is not perfect for me. Don't think like that, because you are not born to be perfect in English language. You just want to be a perfection, you just want to correct them. You don't have to think that I'm not born to learn English language, because English is a language and there is needed lots of practice. If you practice a lot, then only you could see a great improvement in yourself. Okay, so the second thing is that confidence needs actions. And do you know that confidence needs actions, and if you will not show any actions, then how confidence will come? And what do you mean by action here? Action means that you should have to open your mouth while speaking English language. You should have to enhance your communication skills. You should have to like choose co-learners, partners to speak English language, to communicate with those people, so that you could enhance your communication skills. And you are doing this kind of action. If you will not do anything, like if you are just upset sitting beside a corner and you are just thinking that even though I'm just able to think all those things, even though I'm able to understand English language, but I'm not able to express, I'm not able to speak English language because I'm losing my confidence. You are just thinking like this only. So you don't have to think, because there is needed to do the actions, and for action there is needed to practice a lot. If you will practice English language a lot, if you will open your mouth a lot, then only you would see a great difference in yourself. And you know that 30 days is enough for you to enhance your confidence. And you know that every day will gonna to learn you a lots of things. Even though a single day could see a great difference in yourself. Just see, like if you want to enhance your communication skills from now only, then just record your video from today's and just record the videos for 30 days of practicing English language, and just see the mistakes, that what the mistake that you are doing in a particular day, like just recording your videos after having the session with the people, co-learners, what are the things. Or even though if you want to practice self, then just open the camera and you could go in front of the mirror and just speak a lots of things. And if you are just making the mistake, then start to correct them. And if you will just start to correct them, then definitely a lots of new thing will gonna to learn. And in the 30 days, how much correction you would able to find in yourself. So don't lose your hope. And you know that for having the confidence in ourselves, for 30 days or for 90 days, anything whatever we want, so for that is needed that we should have the command on that things, and we should have to do the action for that. And for action, what we have to do, we have to practice and we have to speak English language a lot. So that's why I don't just think that you will like gonna to face a lots of problems in future life for speaking English language, for learning English language. And you know that if you will listen a lot, speak a lot, read a lot, then only you could able to enhance your communication skills in a great way, in a fantastic way. So I just think that you just have to practice a lot, then only you could enhance your confidence in yourself. And 30 days is not like a very small thing. 30 days is really very large to improve your confidence in yourself. So just believe in yourself. Just I can do, I don't have to fear, I don't have to afraid in myself that I'm not able to speak English language. You just have to think whatever the things I'm expressing in front of the people, I'm right. And even though if you're just making the mistake, just to start to correct them, if you will start to correct them, if you will start to practice a lot, then only you would able to enhance your communication skills. And the first thing is that you don't have to fear, because if you'll make the fear in yourself, then only you would lose your confidence, and you will not able to speak English language in a great way. The most important thing is that for improving your confidence, for improving for building your confidence, you should have to do a lots of practice, and you should have to do a lots of action work that we are just knowing in English language. The action word, that means we have to practice a lot, we have to speak a lot, we have to read a lot, then only we could enhance our communication skills. So at the last, I would like to say that for improving your confidence, for improving your fluency in your speaking English language, for that there is needed not to not to fear, not to hesitate. There is needed to overcome of your hesitations. And the other thing is that English is not only for you, English needs to build you. Because if you will build how to start up, how to make a lots of things, how to practice English language, how to speak, then only you would able to speak very well English language. So don't fear, don't hesitate towards learning English language. If you are just getting the chance to explore, to learn English language, then start to do from now only, because English is really very important to know by all the peoples. And you don't have to fear, you don't have to lose your confidence. Even though, do you know, for improving my confidence also, I was just doing the mirror practicing, and I was just making the videos in the cameras. Even though whatever the things I was knowing, I was expressing in front of the co-learner. From this kind of things only I have just learned, I have just improved my confidence. So you just also have to do this kind of things. So thank you guys, I will meet in the next video.